What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is my new YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title of every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So it's a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, a lot of fake people scamming people from my name. So red flags. If any new King Hussle page start following you, start writing you saying, yo, what's up? You want to buy this? You want to buy that? Anything illegal? That is not me, red flag, all right? And before you send your money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you doing business with me. Make sure you see this face and make sure you're getting what you pay for, all right? Legit business. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, what's today? Today is Wednesday. All right, it's Wednesday. It's time to get to this money. It's time to get to it. It's a lot of people that still sleep. There's a lot of people that need to be up right now. A lot of people don't understand that, you know what I mean? Like, getting up early is a key path of being successful. Starting your day early is a key path to being successful, point blank period. And a lot of people aren't successful because they waste time. What I mean by wasting time is a lot of opportunity comes early. And what I mean is by early in the morning, early in the day. And a lot of people miss out on their opportunity because they're asleep or they're procrastinating throughout the day. And like I said, we're going to get these videos started earlier from now on because a lot of people wake up early and they wake up and they're lost. They're trying to figure out, and they're still trying to figure out what can they do to put themselves in a position to win. What can they do to make $10,000 a day, a week? What can they do to make $50,000 a week or a month or whatever? And I'm going to be the person to help you guys do that because at the end of the day, we all need a little bit of knowledge. Knowledge is power. The more knowledge that you have, the more power that you have. And you got the knowledge, you can turn to power. And we all know what that power is, which is money, currency, capital. So how can you make $10,000 in a day? How can you put yourself in a position to win? How can you put yourself in a position to be making all thousands of dollars a day? Well, like I've been explaining and preaching to you guys since the beginning of time, you have to make yourself wanted and needed. It's a lot of people out there who just can't figure it out. It's a lot of people out there that are just like, oh, I see this person selling this. I see this person on YouTube or Instagram selling that. Or I see this person on YouTube or Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook talking about or selling this product right here. And I know if I had the same product, I could be doing the same thing. Or if I knew how to make that, I could be making the same amount of money. And a lot of people do that all day, every day, but they don't do anything about it. If you see somebody else doing the exact same thing that you believe that you could be doing and making more money or doing it better, then why aren't you doing it? Because like I said, the millionaires and the billionaires that's out there in the world, they have something to offer. And the product that they have to offer, everybody in the world wants and needs it. So everybody in the world buys it. So that's why they're stable. That's why they're billionaires and millionaires, because they're offering a product that so many people want and need. If you have nothing to offer to anybody, you're going to be worthless to the world. No one's going to want you for anything. Nobody's going to need you for anything because you have nothing to offer. You could be offering a trucking business. You could be offering a moving business. You could be offering tutoring sessions. You could be offering ways to make YouTube channels. You could be offering services to make YouTube channels for people. You could be offering service to do hair. You could be offering service to cut hair. You could be offering landscaping businesses. You could be offering new inventions. You could be offering so many different things to people out there in the world that people want and need, but you're not doing it. You get up every morning. You work that 9-to-5 job. Or you get up every morning and you try to figure out what's going to be your next hustle, what's going to be your next paycheck. You get up every morning and you sit down, you smoke your weed, you drink your liquor, you do whatever you do, and you do nothing. You have to make a change. You have to make sacrifices. There's something in your life that you're doing that's holding you back, that's keeping you from doing what you need to do, point blank period. Now, everybody has a niche. Everybody has a power. Everybody has a goal, but a lot of people aren't willing to work towards that goal or that niche to get what they need and what they want. Now, I know I go on here every day and I teach about credit and loans and things like that, and I do that because credit is the number one key to life. Credit is the number one money game in the world. If you have your credit together, you'll be able to get anything and everything that you want to get in life, point blank period, without even having to waste money. Having good credit allows you to save money. If you got $20,000, and you're looking to go buy that house, put down on that house that you and your wife wants, and you got bad credit, you're not going to be able to get that loan that you need. You're going to have to use that whole $20,000 that you and your wife just saved, $10,000 each, to go put down on this house, to be right back to square one, zero, broke. When if you would have had your credit together, both of you guys would have been working on your credit and trying to go buy that house, you can get that loan and keep your $20,000 and pay back monthly payments on that loan and keep your $20,000. See, people are under this facade and under this imaginary phase that you're supposed to save as much money as you can. Wrong. You're supposed to invest as much money as you can into the right things. We all want assets and not liabilities. Anything that's a liability will waste us money. Anything that depreciates wastes us money. We want liabilities. We want assets. We want things that's going to make us more money. We want to invest in certain people and certain brands and certain companies that's going to make us more money. A lot of people out there say, "Oh, if you gave me some money, I'd do this, and they gave me some money, I'd do that." It's a lot of people out in the world that are a waste of time and money because they just want money. They have no goals. They have no blueprint on how they're going to make more. It's a lot of people out there in the world that want to become millionaires, multimillionaires, and billionaires, but they have zero way or knowledge on how they're going to make it happen in their life. Everybody got wants and needs, but a lot of people don't know how they're going to get their wants and needs. So a lot of people don't want to be financial free. A lot of people want financial freedom. A lot of people want to be millionaires and billionaires, but they have no way or knowledge on how they're going to get there. And the only way you're going to get there is you put in hard work and determination and dedication and have a passion for whatever you're doing. A lot of people don't have a passion for anything, so they're not going to do anything. They're not going to put their hard work towards anything because they don't have a passion for anything. It's a lot of people out there that are content. It's a lot of people out there in the world that are content on what they're doing. They're content of getting up early, going to this job that they hate, and getting off, and then going home, and then having the rest of the day free to complain about what they wish they could be doing. It's a lot of people out there in the world like that. I dealt with a lot of people out like that. It's a lot of people in the world that I tried to give the information to start making passive income, but that's not what they want to do. So they don't do it. They don't want to make YouTube videos. They don't want to invest. But they want to sit around all day and complain about them not being able to pay their bills, or them not being able to do this or do that, or being tired of doing the same stuff, or having college degrees and not putting it to use and being just wasting money because they got a degree and not doing anything with it. When you could be doing a lot of things that make passive income. You can make a YouTube channel and make an automation channel. You can make a YouTube channel and talk about certain things and situations. Everybody has their own story. You can do so many things out here in the world that can make you profit, that can make you residuals. But it's a lot of people out here in the world that got their hand out, that want something for free, that want somebody to just give them something, and they're going to be stuck in the same position forever. My mind works off, if you're stuck in the same position forever, you haven't did anything in life to elevate. So if you've been stuck in the same state for 20, 30, 40 years, you haven't elevated, not one point. How are you going to become a multi-millionaire or billionaire staying in the same spot, getting the same results? You have to move around. You have to elevate. You have to grow, because the same things that you've been doing the past whatever years that you in the same position, it's going to keep going. So when people get mad at me when I'm like, "Oh, you local," or you content, or make it make sense. If you've been doing the same thing for the past 10 plus years and you in the same position, you're content of what you're doing. You have no will to elevate in life. You have no will to be great. I mean, whatever you're doing is content with you and it's happy for you, cool. But there's people in the world who want more. It's people in the world who care about generational wealth. It's people in the world who care about making sure the curse of their family from being broke is broken. Some people don't care about going out and partying all the time and hee and ha. Some people really want to make sacrifices and get their life together. So when they do all that, it makes more sense. They can go out and travel to Dubai and Jamaica and England and things like that instead of going to all different states and having Miami and California, interstates. People want to do it big. And it's people who are content with doing it small. And that's the problem. So if you're a person that's content doing it small, cool. Stay away from the people who are trying to make something big happen, because you will mess them up. But for the people out there that want to make it big, the people out there that want to make $10,000 a day, the people out there that want to become successful, think about it. What can you offer? What is a product or knowledge that you know about that the next person doesn't know about that you can teach or preach that they'll pay you for, and you can help them make money too? There's so many different products out here. There's so many different things. You could be doing podcasting. You could be doing music videos. You can learn about something that a lot of people need to know and then teach them about it. Credit, tutoring, how to find jobs, how to do so many things. Let's wake up and start smelling the juice. Let's wake up and start getting to this business. Let's wake up and start getting proactive, because there's a lot of people out there that still sleep. They got their hand out, they wake up and got their hand out all day waiting for somebody to do something for them, when the only person that's going to do something for you is yourself. You're going to make yourself a millionaire. You're going to make yourself a billionaire. You sleep. You want to do YouTube. You got to get up early and start making videos. It's 7:09 in the morning. In 20 minutes, I gotta call my son to get him up and ready for school. You gotta get on your business. You gotta stay consistent with whatever you gotta do. Stop being lazy and get motivated to become successful out there in the world. It's Wednesday. We're gonna get to work and we're gonna start making some money. Shout out to all my people that's up early, getting ready to go to work and getting ready to get this money. Shout out to all my new subscribers, all my King Hussle fans. That's without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep this dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company. Rappers, actors, models, content creators, beat makers, producers, cameramen. All right, so music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest into yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into your career? If $200 is too much, or if $200 is not what you're looking for to invest, please don't write me telling me I need to sign you. We need to do business or link or none of that, because at the end of the day, no record label, no A&R is gonna listen to you for free. Nobody's gonna listen to you for free. So if you want somebody to hear you, $200. If you ain't got $200, don't write me. And just keep it pushing, all right? Models, tap in. You beautiful. You got a good head on your shoulders, and you can be corrected. You can be directed. Tap in with me. I'm going to put you in all the positions that you need to win, because apparently, hey, you need some help. A lot of people talk, oh, I can do this, I can do that, but y'all not doing it. A lot of people say they can do a lot of things by themselves, but they're not doing it. Don't talk about it, be about it. I'm a person that be about it. I don't talk about nothing. If I can put you in a position to do 5 videos, music videos in one day and make you $1,000, do it. So in 5 days, you can make you 5 G's. Why not? You not doing it. If I can put you in a position to do podcasts, blogs, your own YouTube channel and all that, why not do it? You're not doing it. So listen, have a good attitude, have a good head on your shoulders, because a lot of people don't make it make sense. A lot of people be having attitudes. A lot of people be thinking they top notch when they're very, 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 very low notch, point blank period. A lot of y'all don't be having no emotion. A lot of y'all be thinking just because y'all beautiful and cute, somebody supposed to bow down and praise y'all. No. At the end of the day, y'all need a man to help y'all succeed. Y'all want a man to take care of y'all. So at the end of the day, we're the catch. We're the ones that's going to help you out. So sometimes you just got to sit down and act right and get it together, all right? Also, producers out there, tap in. Cameraman, tap in. Y'all in Houston, Texas, or can travel to Houston, Texas, tap in with me. Mentorship. I'm mentoring people for $3,000. So $3,000, I'm going to help you with your pages, your websites, your documents, everything that you need help with. I'm going to make sure you start getting some money ASAP and start winning ASAP. Book y'all seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person limited gyms. It's $3,500. If I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $4,500. So you come in state to me, $35,000. Out of state to you, $4,500. $500 deposit. Once you pay your deposit, we're going to book the date, and I'm going to see you then, and we're going to get to work, pay the rest of the money then. Don't waste my time, and I won't wait, and don't waste your own time, all right? Also, anybody out there trying to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month, you could be making $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, $40,000 a month. It's called YouTube automation, where you do not have to show your face, you do not have to show your voice, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is outsource the videos, post them on YouTube, and start making revenue, passive income. All right. So if you want to help doing that, it's $500. If you want me to create your channel, drop 5 videos, do the SEOs and tags and all that, and help you grow and build your channel, it would be $1,000, and we will split the payments down the middle. All right. So we make it $50,000 a month. You get 25. I get 25 because we're both is building this channel. I'm the one who created the channel. I'm the one who posted the first five videos on the channel, and I'm continuing to help you grow the channel. So it's basically you piggybacking off me. All right, so tap in with that. And unlimited gems right now, FaceTime one-on-ones is $500. Don't miss out on that. You never know when the deal gonna be ended on that. So get in where you fit in. Don't miss out on that. $500 unlimited gems, unlimited lessons, and let's continue to win. Let's continue to grow. Let's continue to get this money. Let's continue to be passionate. Let's continue to elevate. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.